Yep, there's lots of planes. So this sign right here will tell you everything you need to know about the paddling trail. Here's the dock. It's also got a lower level. Pretty cool. It's windy out here, but you really wouldn't know. Down here in this river, you're out of the wind. There's tall trees. The water's low to the level of the ground, so you're really not getting any wind here. So this is what it looks like out here with 21 mile per hour winds on the West Fork Trinity River heading towards the Eagle Mountain Dam. So I made it as far as the old Vance's camp, just past the 10 Mile Bridge Road bridge. Since I put in at the nature center, I gotta get out there, and they close at 5 p.m. So I had to turn around and head back. Although you can see, some people are using this here under the bridge as a put-in takeout spot. This time of the year, the Nature Center closes at 5 p.m. They do have a sign that says that if you get locked in behind this gate, to call the Fort Worth Police Department. And we don't want to do that.
Alligator right there.
That right there is an American alligator. They say there are only 25 of them known here in the Fort Worth Nature Center. Apparently, the fishermen have done named them all. I guess they know the difference between all of them.
That was pretty cool. Little alligator.
I'll say we're pretty lucky to get to see that little alligator. He was probably about 3.5 feet long. Anyways, we're almost back to the put-in spot. Never really got that windy down here in this river. Definitely recommend the West Fork Trinity River on a windy day. As long as you stay in the river and don't go down south of the river towards the Lake Worth, you should be good in high winds. I hear it gets a little bit more choppier down that way. Well, we're back down here at the put-in spot. Hope y'all enjoyed it.
Hey, thanks for watching today.
In any order, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for the next video while I take y'all the other direction, down towards Lake Worth to Greer Island, turn around and come back.